The audio brand AudioDirect just released a new DAC amplifier. This is the Team1 MegaSafe. It's a very powerful DAC amp that you can get and pair with either your iPhone or your Android smartphones. It's quite expensive. It's $305. That's the price tag. It has balanced outputs and it's at least rigid enough. All aluminum CNC design, at least for the outer casing, is very, very good. And the main amplification stage of this circuit consists of a dual channel LME 4986 max. Uh, the secondary amplification stages are comprised of four high current RT 6863C op amps. So it's a beast of an amp for its miniature size. They made it in such a way that you can still move, at least move around with it without always considering that it's too bulky or anything. That the thing here is that I would have preferred a much more sleeker design, but I understand that some of these chi-fi brands don't tend to take their time to make something very slick, like Fio, for instance. Fio always makes something very slick, something very pocketable and very miniature most of the time. But it's understandable. Now, this model has a screen. It has a screen, a very premium screen. It's gonna allow you to see the basic functions of what you're setting on the DAC amp. Basic things like whether you're playing back a PCM file, you're playing back high-res file, and at what resolution you're actually streaming that file at. So this is a very good DAC, and it's magnetically can secure at the back of your smart device, especially like your iPhone and all that. So the form factor is very good. It comes with a 3500 milliamp high capacity power battery. Um, it's very well made. It's very well made. The power supply is fantastic. Now, in terms of output, it delivers. One thing is that it delivers around 2 volts RMS into 16 ohms and around 3 volts RMS into 32 ohms. That's if you're using the 3.5 millimeter output. It can even do 3 volts RMS into 600 ohms. But when you step up to the balanced output, that's the 4.4 output, it can do 1.5 volts RMS into 16 ohms. You can do 2.3 volts RMS into 32 ohms and around 6 volts RMS is 600 ohms. I still believe that maybe they could have made this a lot slicker. Maybe make it a lot smaller because it looks still bulky, even though they claim it's very small. But they could have made it a lot smaller than this. But it's available right now. If you need something very different from competing brands like Fio, you can actually take a look at the new AudioDirect Team1 DAC. I'll drop details down below for you guys if you're interested in it. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.